been working on this for days, and I can't find out what's wrong with this truck.
Oh no!
Maybe I should call my friend Ryder. Hello? Hey Ryder, could you come and help me? Thank you. Bye. He's coming soon. Hey, I'm here. Ryder, could you help me fix my car?
Yeah?
Thank you. I'll be over there relaxing. Hey dude, you have to fix that car. Look on my secret weapon. All I have to do is press this button.
That was easy.
Okay, it should be fixed now. Battery in the truck's finished. That fast? That was so fast. Let me try to start it. Okay. There was no way he could fix it this fast. What? How could he do that? I've been working on this for days and he just started it.
Dude, it's so dirty in here. Why not clean your garage?
Well, because I keep having cars coming in and it's crowded in here. Okay, Ryder, here's my problem. I can't fix this monster truck. Okay, step back. I got this, man. I can work on this monster truck. Now I gotta work on this green monster truck.
That was easy.
Thanks. Wait, what was that noise? And it's already fixed. That was like less than 2 or 3 seconds. Is that good? Let me get in there and make sure that it's fixed. What? It works! I can't believe it worked! How did you do that? I'm with your mechanic school, dude, and be quiet. And everyone, be quiet in this house. I'm playing this game. It's just a wall, dude. He's imagining when they I took this engine apart and now I don't know how to put it together with the new pieces. Hello? Yes, I need you. Hurry. Okay, see you. I'll be here in a minute. If anyone can do this, I know he can.
What seems to be the problem, soul?
You know what the problem is? I took apart this engine and now I can't put it back together.
No problem. I got this.
Okay, I'll be over here.
Stand back and fix that wish car.
That was easy.
It's fixed. You're done? The pieces are already on. The pieces are still on the floor. It's a secret. Let me look in here.
Oh, wow.
What's this?
That's my secret.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, are you saying that if I press this button, it'll fix anything?
You betcha.
Ryder, do you know how much money we can make with this?
Yep, $1,000.
Hey Ryder, how about we go into business and make our own shop?
Yes, good idea. Oh, we have a party. Oh, I'll be right there.
Hey guys, click that subscribe button and click that bell. Now where are speeders? but it didn't got in my hand. So you could give me a toe.
No more speeding.
That's not very nice. Now I'm going to have to stand this still forever. Oh, you good? Oh, Braxton, you could give me a toe?
Oh, you need a toe? Okay, I'll be right there.
Oh, thanks. I'm just going to listen to the music.
Hey guys, click that subscribe button and click that bell.
We're going to stop.
Okay, I'll get you, toe.
Hey, me, you're blocking the road.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll move my monster truck.
Oopsie.
I'm stuck here, dude. I'm sorry. Can you give me a toe?
It's okay. Let's do here. And this one will connect to. What were you did to my truck? It was right here, and I tried turning around, and you put me in the water.
Sorry.
I'm giving you a ticket.
What? A ticket?
And now we busted go fast.